Good morning, everyone. My name is Neil Izaro. I'm a Puppet TAM. I'm going to do a very short walkthrough of using Hiera with eyaml to encrypt your data. So it's always best practice if you're going to use passwords or anything that's sensitive that you don't add that to anything that is potentially going to be shared. So in our case, make sure that it's not added to our Git, for example. Only share your public keys once you've generated them. And I'm going to run through a few steps here, a very shortened version. Please be aware, caveats to all of this. You may have different requirements. You may have some of this set up already on your side. But here's the basic steps. On the Puppet server, install the gem if it's not already there. Then use the eyaml create keys in your root, which is going to create the keys directory for you. Once you've done that, copy those keys to the correct path, the path that you're going to specify in your hiera.yaml file, which is this. Here's an example of a hiera.yaml file. You're welcome to use this one, but please make sure you don't just copy and paste this over your existing one. Rather add the pieces that you need, which will probably be the data hash, that will probably be the lookup key, and that will probably be the two options for the private and the public key, and ensure that the paths are correct and that the ownership is correct for the PE server. And once you've done that, you should be able to create an encrypted password. So here's an example. This is just an example where it's going to create a password using Hiera. It's going to be in a profile, your app password. Obviously, you'll change those to what suits you. So let's have a quick look. Done. You then take this. So here it is here. It's very, very simple. Profile, your app, your password. And pop that into whichever YAML file that needs to be. So let's just say, for example, in our one, it's going to be, so here's our Hiera file, and maybe for our one, we're just going to put it in our common file. So there it is there. So this could be it over here, and put it in there. Once you're done, obviously just make sure that you you commit these to your Git, so that it'll be pushed to your server, assuming, again, you've got webhooks and so on. At some point, in a few seconds or a few minutes, this should become available to you. And then once you've done that, you can do a Puppet agent T, which will allow you to refresh the server itself, and you should be good to go. And that should be all there is to it. Once that's done, you should be able to see it. You'll actually see that the encrypted password will come up, and the original password when you do it the first time, because it's obviously going to decrypt that, and you now have an encrypted password that you can use in Puppet. That is really as simple as it is to use. I hope that is helpful.